This has become a staple in our family. Like, we don't even buy regular instant ramen anymore. This is the type of ramen that we buy. And especially it has like this very similar quality to restaurant style ramen. It's just the only hassle, you have to put together your side dishes, you know, like not the side but your toppings. So if you wanna, but like you can easily buy some at like H Mart and get some pork chashu or like pork belly or whatever you want and just cook it real quick and top it off. So if you don't feel like because you know ramen, like a bowl of ramen now it's like pretty pricey, you know, like if you go to a good ramen restaurant. So, and I really like also because it like instant ramen's usually fried, the noodles are fried, and these aren't, and I get heartburn really easily. And I noticed while eating like with these noodles compared to the instant ramen rice or instant ramen noodles, I get heartburn from those, but not these. So this is really nice. So if you're very sensitive to heartburn, I would recommend this especially. And but just don't put this. This is the spiciness. I would put very little or none at all. If you're not like a big person with that can handle spice. And this is the pork tonkotsu broth. Also has 15 grams of protein. Yeah, 15 grams of protein for those that, cause not a lot of like instant ramens have instant or have protein in them. So if you're like tracking your protein, all that, that's really nice. It does have 450 calories, but like you know anything good has a lot of calories. I'm not gonna lie. But like I said, you can buy some green onions and top it off like that. Buy some pork chashu at the H Mart, buy a big one, and you can just cook it on the stove real quick, like warm it up on the stove, or if you're into it, microwave it if you really want, if you're really hungry. And you can put any other toppings that you want to. They usually would put in a ramen restaurant, even like a soft boiled egg. The only thing is you have to put it all together, while in a ramen place it would just be right there. You just pay for it and it comes with everything. This one you have to do your little work for it, or if you're like too lazy, just eat it straight up as it is. I do either or. It depends what I'm in the mood for. If I'm like I'm just lazy and I don't feel like, and I want like some soup during like the cold months, or maybe I'm feeling a little sick, then I'm gonna go for this. Especially I just can't deal with chicken noodle soup. Like that's, I've eaten that too much, like whenever I am sick. So this is like nice to, and it pairs well. The broth is really good. It's just overall a really great product to have. What else is there? And it doesn't really take long to make as well. So, and that's about it. It's like, let's see. Let me see. It makes a good amount, but yeah, once you add the toppings and all, it'll be way better. Like it will last. It'll taste like you're eating from a ramen from a restaurant place. But overall, yeah, like this one comes with 3 in a pack. They have, I think, a bigger one, and then they also have a smaller one. I'm not sure. But I know for the price point, it is pricey, but it's honestly really good broth. Really, like just try it. That's all I'm gonna say. Like it's just so good. You would like be surprised. Like this came from a little box like this, and that someone made it fresh for you, and all that. So I hope you like it. And you're really missing out if you don't want to try it, because like it's, like I said, it's super good, and I'm very 100% sure you're gonna like it, unless you don't like pork bone broth. If that's not for you, then yeah, this is not for you, of course. Overall, I completely recommend it. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream, and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.